Osofumoko Obi. Elder Moko. Elder Chobo Obi. Asempa FM. Una menoka say you were a big disgrace. What good Pentecost for anymore say? Obi. What good Pentecost for anymore say? Obi of Asempa FM. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Now, what me contribute to correct? You are not ashamed as a lawyer to compare what happened in Cecilia Dape's case to that. And in any case, if we are supposed to put all of them on the same standard, what did Cecilia Dapa do? Yabo ni new woman or say my resign, the honorable thing to do. Has Sami Jenfi resigned? You people say, Anna, just say, Embrano summon idea musunko. A summon saswa musunko. And this you can fool people, but you can't fool everyone all the time. And somebody like me, Felix Apia, you can't fool me. I'm too cooked for these amateurs. I'm very serious about it. Now, Shadi, Anka mebebo Omanhene kwabena sante. Any Obi. Osofumoko Obi. Elder Moko. Elder Chobo Obi. Asempa FM. Una menoka say you were a big disgrace. What good Pentecost for anymore say? Obi. What good Pentecost for anymore say? Obi of Asempa FM. Shame on you. Shame on you. Mudi nyamia kata mo na mudi bwepo na mudi Jimmy. Westland food na me throw fire na mamo sabri. Obi, with the Pentecost akata wani na adeje bribe. Is your church elder aware say every time obi beba u program no so bia oje ayi won ho. Esanje bosumi aketu ya Obi. Unyankopon nim sa de. Se de be ya wo be ma obi be twatro no we defending kwase asem ti Obi oje envelope. Mama say ekosi san nye depio, ekosi san say nye depio. Ekosi san enye depio. Ebra kaba wo ho. Utie, ebra kaba. Ebetena sia. When you kaba, ma kaba, kaba. The show was excellent. Oba ye o start say oba yesa woni Sami Jenfi no kofa he pe. Oh yeah, I know Obi is your guy, but he's a fool now. I'm sorry. He's a dumb elder. Because an Ukraine will honor say untumi nka because of scanty. I can't respect your eldership. Well, you're foolish to me. Yeah. Ebra Cecilia Dapa case by. We all watched. We all heard. The type of editorial you could see saying Asempa FM. With Cecilia Dapa case. No. I don't want us to forget that. About the Cecilia Dapa case now. I don't want us to forget that. One more kaya poka se Sabio mami eye kromfo na eye ban sika ye de ama ne se won fa nkoye adwuma ena wasesa ena wadie Obi tumi bie na no ehwe nyame anim e kan se Cecilia Dapa ekonya aseska no wo he a woman who is industrious. Oba ansa na nanado dankwa Ekufuado eba cyber the president no ye millionaire that dollar millionaire. Na danye wa America, na danye wa UK, na danye wa Canada ha ye kabo mu a enye sika ketwa. A woman of substance. A bold woman who have served both President Kufuor and President Nanado. Envelope where koka sa kwa siampa for MC Snake presenters in Senti. It made it tame mami we poto. And now it is a because it's like a power sem bill. And all my come na and this is like a pan bill. But mu bua mami wait for our brana court in Muana for. Emma Ghana for the time mami as and mami and your security I want go be crowd they never born it because of this say Ghana for 1 million they couldn't know. Foolish media, that is what I call them. And then answer Omodoba Bako who akoka. Boy now omwa de kwa sie jimi no. Dia odidi mpanifu atemu no. Nanso yese ono de ma ye ntaache no. Se hie mu hie ni ba kwa sie bi jamfi no. Sa ebinimu moa kwa sie bi te se same jamfi ene ne sie tuma na nya gere no. O kana sema yese ma ye nka. Now, Ukobisa, why they want to defend it? Sami is good. Sami do to me child dear, and a Sami child dear. Now, Kobi our child dear, so dear, and then and Kobi our child dear, and I may Sami baby, Namikushia, madame for no whom yache, no chemiska, Maya Bonnebang, and a Bonneben, and Maya Obi Namin Tiauka. OB+Omanhene, I saw the Kwamoko, Obi the Pentecost, Namin Tiauka, and then with him. I was our console, Netio. O kasa wa no fom da diatro da obi elder wo diatro elder moko obi osebo nsu asampa FM kosu diatro akopim da wo bewuo mo beye nyefe wo Ghana ho na mo nya tiafo. That is the problem. Ntina kwa siatele so mu mia mo kakra na ma yemmere no because mo nya miafo. But me kwesi apia de make esi monim cause mo nyobia se wo nim de na second two tons anim de na me kwesi apia me I will never respect you cause to me in my principle money is not everything. I will not take money at the detriment of my country's progress. I would not do that. Try now show me a bra Cecilia da pa case by as if asempa FM nim bibia ekoso eh and then the OSP say OSP yet everything here Ghana ya mro na aka kire say 200,000 ye kohwehwem ye ne FBI akoye collaboration. Jesus Christ. $800,000 co yes here the kohwehwe 200,000 but the same foolish kisia jaben. Oye Jimmy Fu Misikaira Mako reporto. Yes, me dibia me jina ninti no. Echere se me nyina nchen ye nhwehwe masemu. Eno hu nti me jina nchen. Ye kwahwehwe emu ni na no nipa na wo twe me da wure twe me abo so ne se oni hwe e wo me ho. Ntie bia another state agency a your friend Yoko son try hwe. Enso ne atete Cecilia da Perio. Ne atete Cecilia da Perio. George, I'm coming to the 78 million. I feel 78 million na ye dem afili so fosu kwa ache na mate ase. And then, what is every media saying? Oh, Sami Jenfina sawa pacha meboa. And on nanche. Oh, no nye boni bia na de no oshi obi wa bonten na onipa na Sami we Sami and na de. Ebra Sami Jenfiti opposition yanti se Sami chase kada yanti so oya doyeda because they bia ye be Sami na no aye dry. E come de no. And then the media na mo be paint Sami Jenfiti pass a kire. Sami Jemfi enye John Mahama enye Kojo Bonsunumu a akọ no giro school kura no otumi wiye Mese mo NDC fo ni bebre ne Ghana fo no won enye he nyansa no wo ho mo ana ma yama dwen se mo ma nyansa ne nyadwuma mo ana ma yama dwen se nyansa na nyame de do mo no mo ma ne nyadwuma Senye Kojo Bonsu senye Mahama no nkrofo ye besu so boy we mu a anka wantumi kura nwie school Oko kana na o yes SRC president na o ye we president mu misa na se hin na no nya ne sikafi wona na sponsor no o hia no mu bini bi o ye sabe o hia mu bini part se Sami Jemfi ene kwasea we wo papa penny we twi taxi wo Ghana wo jimi e ma me fa mo ntwem fa mra mo so akwasi ampa for taxi drivers nibi watra Ghana taxi driver mu a watch taxi ya be 85 years kwasi ya usisi ni na asen uni $5 krada ho na waka se o de eno na adwuma wo ye wo ba wi asbe yo benya ye kwasi ya bi aba 5 months aban ntua ne ka ye ntua ne salary okura over $100,000 kwasi ya o te sa taxi ni mu adi se ye pia wansa na watu e de defend Sami Jemfi Jimmy for Bayiba. Taxi driver Jimmy for Bayiba nyansa ni witrim. Because station master abema 200. For say for top petrol. It kona could defend Sami Jemfi. Abizibe what you say tro kanesho doko what you sa what you kanesho doko over 45 years. Who do 20 Ghana put down? Of AyEka oda sala onya tomo adun here oba domo je o ebe sami no me e sko momo no me etu oni engineer planner le ni na Ibrahim Mahama kwa sia ni bulu tro driver ganyo bulu ni obejo money akejon ni olu otuni for how many years obe 1 million po yesia small boy nani etuko ni da within 5 months neighbor chuni lenche ape ko lepo $100 na ketai efimi bondru over $100,000 your boots o ya no ya defend le no basia